My tires are all out.
All right, man. Shall we hit the road?
So Nick, what are we doing?
Just scrambling all over the place. Gonna head out to the open.
On the way up here, I was just switching between third and fourth also. Like when I was white knuckling it, I was going like down to second. But my favorite parts though is just when you get that perfect rev match, so smooth you don't even feel it like butter.
Yeah.
That's the brain. Damn, look at the wing on that.
That's the cost of keeping pace with you in the corner. It's actually like 1,000 pounds.
I know, dude. Like the thing is, it was funny when you were ahead of us that first time and you took off. Because I would get you, I would be right there with you on the corners, and then you would boost out and I'd be like, ah! And then you'd corner and I'd be right there again, and then what?
Like you're just a little bit faster than me in the corners.
Yeah, but once you're out of
Once
the
I'm in
corner,
a straight
right, there's
line,
nothing I can do. It's over.
Nice stuff.
Wait. That rock, it looks like it's too low to hit. That's how you're good. Just stay there. That side. You're gonna hit. All right.
That should go flying, man. You gotta do long
I did.
stroke. Well, in the movie, we were like, you gotta be like
After a while, I did it.
like that, like that. Well, hey, man, relax.
So right now we're trying to check if this Trail 66 leads out of here. It's too narrow or not. Ours gone down the path and he's missing. So we'll see what happens right now. He might never come back. Oh, there he is. Imagine he just gets mauled right now. So, what does it look
Make
like?
it work. There's just two narrow spots.
Yeah.
This one does lead to the road, right?
I mean, yeah, it looks like they both do.
Okay.
And it's already
too-
6, so
Yeah.
we do kind of have to hit the road and start heading back. You know, he's thinking like, damn, I really hope they're getting a good shot of me doing this.
Yeah.
So cool right now.
Alright, my friend.
Yeah.
Let's go check out 71 really quick and see how it is.
Alright. Yep, there you go.